Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Haishine Chainsaw Sharpening Jig, portable hand crank chainsaw sharpening kit with 6 pieces. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Unique design. This is the new hand crank chainsaw teeth sharpener. Chainsaw sharpener tool offers a quick and easy way to sharpen the saw chain. With 2 fixed sharpening holes and a standard 30 degrees front angle, it ensures precise repair for each tooth. Additionally, it is versatile for use on both sides, adapts to complex environments, and saves valuable time. Optimum material performance. Keep chains sharp with Haishine rust-proof chainsaw chain sharpener. Made of high-quality stainless steel and thickened aluminum alloy, it resists rust and offers a long service life. The hard steel file ensures fast, safe work in the field or at home. Widely compatible. Chainsaw sharpeners work together with most 8 to 22-inch chainsaws and electric chainsaws, compatible with different sizes of chains. Meet any of your chainsaw sharpening needs. Easy to install and use. Chainsaw chain sharpening jig can be switched on both sides. Just fix the clip on the rod, and insert the burr into one of the guide sleeves. You can also switch to the other sleeve, turn the handle. Only 3 to 5 seconds will be blunt chain back to sharp as new. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.